What's up,
good,
guys? Welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome back to another movie. So, guys, I want to kind of a little bit different, a little twist. New girl.
Yeah.
The name is Obsession, as you can already see down there, take below. That one, I kind of, I don't know, but that one, yeah, we did have like, we excited feet. I try we acting there. Boring, and we just excited if you don't edit and post till it all take way long. I've been a shoot this movie for 5 days. Wait, because
So all the difficulties they go through, so
phone about for storage. The girl what we shoot with, she leave work in the evening and she come to shoot, so we like spending one night shoot. Then now me and him shoot for we see them in the day by ourselves, we put the phone on the stand and so we got all out phone and I know someone love watching movie them, so I just make sure so I can deliver to you always, and there's something there. So when you just go and watch a movie, if you're new, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and
just look out for the next episode, you see me? Yeah,
look out for part 2, and then we also have a next movie coming soon also, because we shoot 2 movies meanwhile, so
just know sir, now get movie will come one after the other. Movie will come.
Yeah, guys, so just
stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe.
No mistake. Instantaneously.
Hi, babe. We can come in?
Yeah, we are, babe.
Really? Me tell her if you stop once with me now.
Oh boy. It ain't easy, yeah?
I see your house feel nice. I'm tell her if I make a movie, you know?
What?
Your house nice. I know I'm moving with you.
So you are moving with me?
Look how long me know you. And we just a friend. Me can't bother the friendship something. I go stop today. Me can't bother no more.
What you mean to go stop today?
Yeah, go on.
Been ready for a relationship. Been a tell you like say, me like you as a friend. Nothing else. No strings attached. Been a tell you, me like you as a friend. You're a good girl, see the whole part of man out there. Whole part of good man out there like me. But you just have to go out there and search till you find a good man. I know you like me, but me like you as a friend. Nothing else.
We are not understanding, you know. Well, if a man out there, but are you me want? You know, see so perfect for each other. Are you me want? I mean, now go stop till I get you.
You just have to put peer pressure. Me tell you, say, me like you as a friend, Lacey. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Me know a good man out there for you. You just have to go out there and search. Or he might find you one day, but I know me. I tell you the truth.
Well, you are tell me say you like me as a friend. Let me tell you the truth. Me in love with you. I'm want me if you married.
What? Why? Lacey, that's an obsession, you know? That is obsession.
Yeah. You're going like you have a girlfriend. You're single. You're not able to sleep by yourself every night. You know what? I come cook your dinner and wash your clothes. Me want a chance. Today, me want a chance. I'm not left till me get a chance.
What do you mean you not left till you get a chance? Me tell you, I'm not even going to repeat myself.
You're alone in this a nice house, yeah? I'm not moving, you know? Me I'm moving.
Boy, let's see. I don't even know how to tell you so right now.
You don't have to tell me nothing. I don't tell you already.
So what you going to do now? I tell you something.
What me I going to do is call a taxi, Go down for my things them and come up. Right on the bed and I sleep tonight. Sorry to say.
No disability. No disability. And most.
This house is ours.
Not ours, mine.
You can't just relax. Like, look how long me tell you, we are friends over 15 years now. And you never touch me in a damn way that you know. Me tell you that you know.
But me tell you, I can't touch you in a damn way because I like you as a friend.
And me not like you as a friend. I want you to be my man. I want you to meet my mother.
Do me not know your mother already?
Meet her as in her son-in-law. You know what down the aisle? Me tell you that this dog and we are going to move in. Me sorry, but me I come up here, come live. Me sorry.
Well, let's see, just nah, you me and still like me a talk and he just a poop 3 years.
All you do is just hurt my feelings. That's all you do every day. I feel you treat me like me not no feelings. You know what? Me I gonna leave today and me I make you think about it, but guess what? Me I come back up here tomorrow, me I come cook. You see dirty clothes and we have to take them out, come me I come wash. Me I prepare dinner and whether you want to eat it or not, me I come do it. And me done talk. So I'll be coming back tomorrow. So think about what I say.
Why?
Your phone case color brighty?
Yeah, girl, you must have my boyfriend buy for me.
Oh, me like you pretty though. So I want differently.
Girl, me there. You know see your life agreed me?
Me say you just get fat so.
Girl, I man do me fine. Me never tell about him.
No.
Girl, things start going to a big expensive. You see on my phone? I him buy for me.
Wow, that is really nice.
Everything I want me get.
Then man, oh, did it still there like that?
Girl, me I wonder if you and a friend can give you.
You know what my things bit I just straight college cause me just
Girl, stop going like stop going so. You think college really want one man in your life, girl.
One guy help me?
So what help me? Me tell you say, girl, me tell you say my life good enough, girl. You see on my rent? Him pay for 5 months.
How will you say?
5 months.
That is very good, but that is very good. But me have best friend, but you know me I say you cannot depend on a man to do things for you. Cause one day I'm gonna just get up and stop. Who am gonna do all of that for you? You have to be independent.
Girl, he might open my business give me. He said me not you know I'm work for nobody. I 2 business me have pending.
Well, if I say go then that is very good. My
Girl,
very proud of you.
me can't wait till you meet him. Because I tell this man he spoil me. So you hear him call me.
That is very nice. But anyways, always a mother long time I come around here.
You know, so she did a do she the next one.
She still like you.
Problem. She don't want to come there. Let me have to move there. I don't know. But so your mother go there?
Yeah man, she alright. She not there, she probably gone to church, you know. See her thing, church right through.
Girl, friend you start at college, I don't know how I'm going.
What you trying to say? I'm not that shy.
Friend start at college, things just different. Normally we go on a road and some friends start at college, we not go nowhere.
Girl, you not understand me. Listen. Me have one bag of project, one bag of exam. Me can't go road life done for me. Me have to focus on the thing there. When time me get holiday like oh right now me dey on one long time. So when I can go road now, girl, but you don't know say me have to make my mother proud. Sorry about that.
Me understand, but you go and like say book can't make you get husband, girl. You have to come out the month of my day. I would me find my man in a girl.
Man, they're college too. They want them college.
I would me find my but they want to not go spoil it, but you say boy spoil me, girl.
You extra?
No girl, me not extra, he spoil me.
Lazy, you're very extra.
Me not extra, girl. That's everything we're seeing in my house, I in by them.
Well, that is nice. So.
And he's supposed to go, you know. So you know, so he got friend every minute they are Western Union, girl. Every minute, we can't wait. But I'm going to miss him.
I'm glad to see you.
Me too, I'm glad to miss him, girl.
So we are in the we'll go cook a pot or we'll go cook, no?
to marry that boy, yeah. I have to marry him. I have to get him. Babe. You look nice even in your town.
Where you living?
You know, see some food I cook some I can't come here. But I not never see some welcome myself.
A beard.
Yeah, I know. Mama say our house, so I not see some welcome myself.
Ah, God. Your friend, you mean? Come here and say who there in here? Put on my shirt.
You was nice.
You keep on, I said that, you tell me not 100 times.
Imagine I wear the picture on the wall, so that looks so nice.
Imagine what?
I wear the picture on the wall.
You're gone far now, let's see. What you look for over there, sir?
Yes, thank you, Jesus. Yes, me say yes.
What?
Me accept it, me say yes. You know how long me know you want married me, you hide your feelings. You hide your feelings. Look how you look nice for my finger, I just sit down.
Where you find that?
And are you buy this for me?
Me?
You know how long me know you want married me? Okay, me have to call Kiera. You know me I go up her yard.
At first, me I see that ring them, I never see that ring in my life.
Well, you see, now upon my finger, so we're married. I'm going to tell Kiera and tell Mama, I can't wait. Which pair want to get married?
Jeez.
Which pair want to get married?
Let's see. Me say listen, me never see that ring.
It's alright. Save that for later. Later we'll talk here, babe. Bye. I'm going to tell Kiera this.
Let's see.
No, girl.
What you notice about me, girl?
You want your favorite color?
Me can't take out that girl. You're slow, you know? And you go to college. Me tell her to stop going to college. Girl, what you notice about me, girl?
Let me see.
Girl, you know say what engaged to me? Girl, me tell her the things are going for me.
Girl, let me see it.
Girl, me should even show you. Can you go on like your bright sparks and no one, no man.
Come on, see, we got top one.
Girl, last night I go up on yard.
For days.
I go up on yard last night, girl. And I said the boy go down on his knee. Ask me, me say me cry, I swear to God.
So you're not most.
Girl, me excited, you know.
You're in love with you?
Me in love. And the boy love me, you know. He tell me how much he love me and he can't do without me. Girl, I'm glad to find this boy.
I'm glad for you too.
Girl, last night I put on my finger, you know, girl. It fit me down.
You look nice.
It fit my image.
Right.
So we can go and look for some wedding dress. Because you know it's a wedding soon.
You want to look at wedding dress?
That one is nice.
Lacy, give me this.
Girl, this nice.
Listen, before I talk about wedding dress, you sure you might want what you want?
You know see a bad man?
I know that.
No, you know say I'm my best friend. You have to stop.
Listen. Sometimes we make mistakes in our life.
So you think this is a mistake? So what me do now? Slide and drop in the boy life.
Sit down, Lacy, sit down.
Me nah sit down, girl. Okay, too bad man. Better me gone me yard.
Listen to what me I say. Listen now. In pay your rent, in buy an expensive ring. Me want to know, you're my best friend, me want to know if you are happy, Lacy. I want to know if you are happy. Me know why you run get married to this man just because I have money in big house, in my gear two business. You're happy, Lacy?
Look for me good, Kiera. You can ask me if I'm happy, girl? No, look for me good, girl. You know, see if you stop and you say I'm a friend and I sit down and say reason with you, but you're bad mind. Yes, because you're not a man, you're bad mind. Look for my finger, girl. You know, see me think that's up, girl.
No, but I just want to know if you're happy and I want to know if you're alright.
Girl,
I know why you go
happy.
married and then
Me happy, girl.
2 weeks, 3 weeks later, him start cheat or something.
Girl, me happy. I want more you follow me go down at the wedding place. Down the road, down there, sir.
Me can't follow you, but as long as you're happy, me
girl,
happy
me
for
happy.
you. And we will do anything you want. We go look for dress, you want to go down a place. You ready right now?
Yeah.
Come on.
Girl, you know more you do invite some of your schoolmates them because that wedding they going to be the biggest wedding in Port Antonio.
No problem.
A helicopter me a flying a girl. Big up myself.
Great.
The boy love me.
Go on. Take time, I don't want you to drop with your
And drop on my finger. Broke my ring.
You're extra.
My extra girl. I love the boy.
Congratulations. Well, congratulations. I'm proud of you. I'm very, very proud. And that is a good thing.
Girl, I can't wait to tell my mother this and news. Because you know like my mother and my married. You know what I say? Me and them are going to go foreign and them are buy one yacht for me.
That is very nice. Anyways, we have to go get you one gift. So we have to go check out church. Where you want? You want it in the church? You want it around
I feel like I want it on the yacht.
Oh, well, that's
so
nice.
I just scratching on my face right here, so. Right here, so. Girl.
Let's see extend.
Girl. Come on. But me, I say I want it on the yacht.
You have to go get one. We can't bother with it, you know. We have to go get a pastor. We have to go pay him. Plus, remember, say, if you have to go on yacht, you have to have more room on the thing stay.
Girl, remember, say, my yacht. Remember, say, my man have money, you know. We're talking about my man right here, so my fiancé.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, please, correct
next
yourself,
thing, we are going to do, we are going to get to do the catering.
No, we are pay people for that.
Alright, and then you say yacht, then the pasta, check, dress, what else?
I whenever can pay some people like to come.
Photographer,
yeah. Whenever can pay some people like to come make up audience come and say the biggest wedding up around Tony.
Oh, so you're gonna pay people where you don't know. You want people where you don't know.
Girl, come on.
Girl, I waste money. You can't help me pay for my college tuition for this month.
Me not, you know why I'm not gonna help you? You know why I'm not gonna help you?
Why?
Because you could have a man who will help you.
Come on.
Me tell you about you for stop. You sit down for me, girl.
You just get engaged last night and just today.
You don't know if you want to tell me tomorrow, say, come on, I can marry the man got it like that, girl. To your boy love me, me can't expect anything right now. You can't tell me, say, I'm man, we are getting married, girl. But one day, if you call me, man, I'm to call him, tell him something.
You go order your shoes online or something?
And do it through Express.
Yeah,
wanted dearest shoes.
I know one girl perfect for your makeup. And I will call the photographer and the videographer because I have some links where go to college with me. I mean, could I do it? Because remember, me a cinematographer.
Yeah, but me I say, girl, remember, see, I'm a big day this year. So you see, makeup, girl, I be perfect. Like Nicki Minaj, you understand? Girl, but you just sit down for me do. I wonder what they are wearing.
So your mother said, you worry about him. What your mother say, since your mother don't like when he come here, what your mother say about that?
Girl, you know, say I'm money. My mother have money, me can just squeeze my mother 100K. Mama say, I'm soon gone, you know, we soon one half. Right. Squeeze my mother one little thing, make she
anyways, me now go back over my yard and come up with you.
You come up your yard?
Yeah.
Alright, girl. But, girl.
If your girl me one more time.
Me don't want you to come up there and them go pop up.
Alright.
A surprise.
Alright, me I go me yard.
Alright, me I go up here. I'm going to go something. Later, I'm going to come back.
You come back later?
Yeah, I'm going to start cooking. So in case him come.
Alright. See you later. Yeah, alright.
Stop babe me on the road. Me tell her say me and you not there.
Oh, see you share mommy now. You share mommy? I
You shame you.
No, sir.
Me and you not there.
Remember say me your fiancé, you know what I mean by...
You hard to understand them. She say you hard to understand.
What do I ever do to deserve this?
You hard to hard to understand. Why hard to understand?
What hard for me understand? Alright, everybody come here.
Let's
Come here. You see, if you know one of them and I walk with me, I make everybody know say me there. So pick a child. So we there? We there now? We there? Alright then, everybody.
No, wait.
We there?
Yeah.
So we there?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Come, baby. Alright.
Yeah, me alright.
Can you come on you?
Yes.
I love your haircut. Like, you look sweet. Let's see me at the back, you know?
Listen, me in there. I don't know why you're loud of people. There's so much people there in the supermarket.
You see, mommy? Something don't know more often wife something to me. Something to me.
Lacey, something wrong with you? Something wrong with you? Because me I tell you, it just like it just a fly through your ears and you know hear me I say?
But you tell me don't listen to me there. So I will let a little walk come and say we left.
Lacey, nobody do foolish.
You make me shame.
You just upset me right now.
You know me love you. Stop going so. Me know you love me, you just play hard. You love me though.
Lacey.
Just play hard.
Tell you say, like you as a friend. As a friend.
But that can change.
You hear the last part?
That can change.
You hear the last
part? My boss about your enemies are really made.
Lacey, yeah, you know that.
Serious? Come back now. Understand.
Talk to me now, Lacey. Me not like how you looking now.
Girl, me want to tell you but me even want to judge me because you remember you want me about the boy?
Not this story.
Girl.
I hate to say I told you so.
Girl, I see him down in the supermarket down there so. And me I talk to you know I'm a man, so yeah, right. You know he rough me up down the road. If you lucky say I love him, I not disgrace him down there.
What do you mean? I'm confused right now because I know you're from when a man never get rough you up because you're a rough cut. So how that the man they get free rough you up if you touch you?
Girl, you know me weak to you, man. And you never love him, man.
Lacey, you have a YouTube channel? You have prank me? Where phone? Where camera?
Girl, I wish I did prank this. I wish I did prank.
You have a person talk about weak to man?
Girl, I love him.
I know you're there to person before him and I know you beat him right through if you even try to touch you. So you really make this one?
Girl,
really?
I don't know but something about that boy. He just have me head away. You have me head going.
Lacey, I'm best friend but me here to say you sound like a really
I don't ask Christ. Me
so
young for that boy, yeah.
You're gonna let him?
You're mad girl.
Oh, so him disgrace you, as you say, and him rough you up on the road in front of people and you not left him?
Actually, love me make him do that. Me not left him, me not left him. Me not sad and make a next girl happy with him. I rather tough it out.
Oh, so if you not love, if you not love you, you rough you up?
No, girl, that's you. Nobody never love you yet. Make you go and say no.
Yes, you know what?
You better
you go and go take up your Bible and read it. Because something serious wrong with you.
Girl, it's like, yes, me tell us you're bad man, you know. Me tell us you're bad man.
Yes, when he kill you, don't come at me and do.
Kill me? Girl, he not gonna kill me and he love me.
No, but you say if he not hurt you, no love you. So when he kill you, we say, oh, he still love me, that's why he kill me. Because you look like you not no sense. You have big woman less, you go like say you have sense and stop going like fool.
Girl, all you talk, you're just bad man, you know. Me, by later, me and him good again, you know that, girl. Relationship have ups and downs.
So if I later and him good again, you come and complain to me for? Yeah, waste my time and me have been enough to cook more than they work.
So you can't, one evening you can't have a Sunday now?
Listen, your man will rough you up, make him go buy your KFC.
You know, so that is not a problem if he buy me nothing.
So when we make him buy up, when we friend him up back, make you rough you up and feed you and rough you up and give you money. Make you rough you up and spoil you. Since I that you like. You're not easy, you know? You're not easy.
Girl, me come here as a friend for you tell me, you give me, for you encourage me, and you try to tear me down.
You call that tear it down? When time you try to make everything make sense to you and I show you say you're not good somebody? And you tell me say man only rough you because he love you?
Good somebody? Kiera really some man and a good somebody, Kiera? Or if you say my man and a good, you know about my man? You know something about my man, girl?
From what I have heard.
I better make on come me yard, you know.
From what I've heard, Lacey,
you're not
that man take you for one fool.
Take off a fool. I love him, love me.
Oh.
Better make come get me yard.
You see when he get 3 more bucks, don't come back to me. I love you, love you.
Me I got me yard. Because you're too bad, man. Go and cook your dinner. Come here, go up to my man.
I cannot listen to it.
You can make me.
You remember me I call a phone for that's supposed me just want to tell us I'm sorry for how me behave down the road.
Just don't make it happen again. Do.
So you think you fear? You think you fear? No sir. You think you fear if you treat me sir? Me want nice girl. Me not deserve this.
Let's see. You keep on to tell us like you as a friend. Nothing more.
I'm like you. I want me if it day.
I'm tell us that can't keep on to tell you it cannot happen.
You know say if me the things are different.
Oh, how different?
Me would go on so. Come me already get here some mood I go on so.
Let's see. Alright. You accept apology.
So you really run me?
And I run me, I run you.
All you make me do that's why I catch your feelings.
I like that. Go on home.
Me I go left, but I not go ever come back. I just stay out.
You have to come back. Go on.
All you do just hurt my feelings here. Just tell me say you're sorry.
I'm sorry. Go on.
You forgive me?
Yeah,
You good now?
Yes.
Alright, make sure me I go up. Me I cook the you want?
Yeah, right, no, me just...
Me I cook your favorite food.
Oh, you know my favorite food?
Really, babe? Come on. Ask me something
Call
else.
me them babe.
You want the food?
Me alright. You know you tie me. Cause so you're obsessed already. What you wouldn't do?
Me
Go
not
on with the
obsessed
food.
with
Go
it,
on
but-
with the food.
I'm going to me yard.
Go on.
Take good care of yourself.
Yeah, I always do. Yeah, me I tell her around 4 to 5 times she come and tell her, you know, say me and her no day. And she come and say, babe, all of the day. Me not, oh when? She day in her town and come out of supermarket and she say, babe, whole of somebody did there and me I say, you can't call me so in her town. Yeah. Brother, she just obsessed with me, brother. Many times me tell her, I say, Lacey, me and you not there. Tap say me and you there, me and you not there. She keep on and do it. Right now, she just make me get upset, brother. Every day she come from my yard. Every day. Yeah, man, right now, I fly, me I look for fly out right now. If right now, if she come out today, me I tell her, say me I go, me I left here. Cause right now, me tired of her, me tired. Everywhere me go, she find me, brother. Everywhere me go. So me I just fly out for 1 year or so and come back. Yeah. So you're good different low. Alright, yeah. So tomorrow I go cut still now. So if you want to see me, you can link me. Yeah. Alright, just stay safe when you go. Yeah. Listen, me tell you stop pop up me in the day. Stop pop up me yard. Anyways, where you say nothing? Me a fly out tomorrow. So you can't stop come over me yard now cause me not go there.
You fly out tomorrow? And me doesn't know about that? What kind of relationship put in her? You have tomorrow you left and me just know about that. But any day I pop up here and see what me not see.
Where you not see? Me ain't there, Lacey. Me keep on not telling you me ain't not there.
Me pop up here and see no girl up here with no one. So you are going tomorrow and me doesn't know about this. We are keep secret now.
Yeah, we laugh. So if me, me not even answer that. Me not gonna answer that, you know. Because every day you come here and tempt me. Me are you know there. Last time I tell you. So just you can't go on home. Because I left right now.
So what am I do? Pack my bag?
Pack your bag for what?
Because we're going together. So I know what to do.
Plus it's like something wrong with the head, you know. It's like you lose a screw from the junker.
It's alright. Anyway, remember when you come back, I'm going to send us something where you buy for me. And see if I can buy a ring over there, because maybe cheap over there. And don't go over there go look no girl.
Which ring?
Don't me go put on chaka pie, you know. Anyhow, me if me get Jamaican ears over there with one. If I fly pitch fire over there, a problem.
Let's see, go on home, Lacey.
You know, everything.
Go on home, Lacey.
No, me don't got me but me tell her already now. You see, if I fly pitch fire over there, a problem.
Go on.
Don't want to want me. Because I don't know why problem with me you can't do. Me tell her this.
You have key for me house?
Will me live here? So obviously. Kiera, which ready? You know, they want to come in here, but girl, I have a whole place to clean up. I just can't bother. You can't come around here. Alright, do that. Might buy you. Girl, come. Girl, I be a thing. I'm just a be a thing. I be a laugh.
I want to know why problem of force. Me see my best friend down. You're not the type of person for your Facebook, so.
Girl, let me come here and tell us, say, the boy who came, I got find with him. Girl, last night I go up my yard. Only film bread the news to me. And tomorrow I'm going. I'm not get for bad go. I'm vexed and afraid. Girl, I'm depressed.
So, you know what I've been here with him? So all of a sudden, I know him plan to tell her that tomorrow I'm going. You see me tell about that dirty man, the other talk about bad man, we did one.
Stop talking about my man, so girl. I'm going to let me have a visa or I can go on plane. Girl, it matter about plane ticket and one bag or something. You just can't.
So after last night, I don't know you plan to call me that day. You could call me early this morning or you come on me last night to come tell me.
Girl, I just know me feel. Last night I went down there, I had me so like an idiot. First thing, he might go away for about a year. Oh, I go do those things so long. You know, so I don't want another man, girl.
Well, you better go find one. Or you make sure so you make a union and MoneyGram and Ray right through. Because you know, you love money already.
Girl, he promised me say anytime go up the first week he must send money. I mean, no, because he spoil money out there, so when he go up, why not?
Why not? I don't still anyways, I cook. Because I cook, I cook and I cook your son for the phone. I feel like
I love your belly, my girl.
You cook?
When me cook something, yes, so go in and so get something.
Look when they are cooking.
Hello? Girl, we see a while ago. Come back from foreign. So, oh, you know all of this? Because we can't take it. You see him last night? I like you telling me not to get ready and go to dinner. Girl, alright now, I go put on my clothes and go there right now. You know what I'm gonna say, man? Me not even go bother change. Me? Fuck them, I go right now. Taga! What a boy are there? Taga!
Hello?
Yeah, try to find Taylor run here. I don't know Rasta man.
I'm not sure which Rasta man. We have no Taylor, we are Rasta man. You have to be more respectful.
Taylor didn't call him.
Peanut Dread?
Yeah.
Oh, run away. You're going wrong way, that way there.
That way there?
Yeah.
You look nice, do hurt me.
Thanks.
What's your name?
Kiera, you?
Your name Tugger didn't call me.
Oh, where you look so?
Oh, look.
Foreign. You're a foreigner?
Oh,
When I
really?
first met
Let
you
me
too.
travel more time.
Oh. Well, you kind of smell like it just come off her eyes.
The on the eyes all the way, bunch of. You can't get a number from like a shape and things.
Sure, but you want me to show you Peanut Dread? We can walk and talk more, talk more life.
Yeah, man.
You know, you seem like a nice person.
Everything come on my yard, they ask me about food. Master, let me belly run your yard, man.
I left my belly run on my yard because as I tell you on the phone, I have good news for you.
You know that I shut up for me a long time, you come and tell me about food.
Oh girl, sorry, you know I love to talk about food already. Anyways, yesterday I was on the road, right?
Yeah.
You don't really talk about road. But me I walk up with on the mini mart.
Wanna sound festively?
This nigga got me. Hi. Good evening, miss. What's your name? I'm here to say, hi, I am Kiera. And he must say, he's from whatever, and he just come from foreign, and he in a new place. So he asked me to show him something, right? Things going on things, I'm showing him place.
What going on? Because the last time I checked, you know, no man, you talk about books, so what going on?
Relax, man.
Relax, no, relax, you relax and just talk.
This is what we are saying now. When me and me walk to show him a place, we did that talk, and like, we did just have this moment where we don't know him, a stranger, and we all laugh and a chat, whatever. But anyways, he asked me out, so tomorrow we are going on a date. So I think we finally find one man, and I don't know if he probably too fast, but I feel like something like.
You're not too fast, girl. I'm happy if you know how long you're with one man. When me buy too fast, me happy feel.
Thank you.
No, girl.
Some come to make him know.
If my man did, I'm gonna make you go on a double date.
True. Speaking of your man, anyways, before we even talk about your man, we go want to come on my yard tomorrow, go help me get ready, makeup and shit stuff. Your man, I want you to have no I'm not come back. I want for that.
Girl, it look like you run off. But you know, I still there fine and he make me get everything. I still get my money and he my pop barrel. So we not talk about him, girl. We are talk about him.
No, me I talk about him because you get money and you're not even calling me and say you see a change you have to pay for your college exam or something. I say you treat your best friend.
Girl, stop it. Come on, make a good on yourself.
Bye.
Foreign middle day. I'm gonna come back all week now.
So what they gonna do by the way?
They go study.
Oh, study what?
Cinematography, I'm gonna do filming and
oh, that's good. Me kind of looking at the thing that too that me also there college for.
yeah.
Boy, you better oversee soon, but you don't really have it like that, so.
Oh.
I have to just do there, so. And we all meet up to. You asked me to just show you something, and then from the time they went we did a laugh and talk and something. The band did feel real nice, so.
You have a connection.
Yeah. Because my best friend that live before you come and she said she didn't know where to come.
Your best friend?
Maybe
now if you see her come here, super good. Looks good.
So where do you go today?
You're good, man. We can go tomorrow.
Alright, that sounds good. So what about your mother? Your mother live with your mother? Your mother still alive?
Me alone.
Your mother still alive?
Yeah.
Your father still alive? So what team did you have?
We have around 5 family members.
Oh, well. So, where's your day after you say?
Yes, I've match up library.
You could come there?
No, man, you're good man. Yes.
Because I'm my best friend now, since I guess.
She's going to come, man. Me come back early and check her.
Alright, so since you have to go there, probably you'll just meet her next time.
So, what may I say again?
Yeah.
You come back from foreign. Me not even know see you come back. And you don't have my best friend yard.
Lacy.
So weird. I am best friend there. After everybody else in the world, I'm my best friend there with them. Father.
Lacy. Stop creating excitement. They already know say me and you not there. So why you create excitement out there so?
Me have to create excitement. Yeah, my fiance. Where this for?
Me
Where think
and
this
you
for?
not there.
So idiot you want to take me for?
Me not take you for no idiot. Me and you not there, Lacy. Me and you is not in any relationship.
Well, me and you not in there. Me don't know what got happen, but remember say we have to married. And me disappointed. You come, you never say Kiera want suit of clothes for me or nothing. Over my best friend you had to itch up. She next one, you wait till me done and I go over there to her because she take my man.
Let's see. Calm down yourself, no man. Me tell you this 100 times. Me and you not there. Me not even did know say are your best friend that.
Well, no you know. See I'm my best friend. And you think you go come, you see how me there and me sit down and wait for you to come back from fire.
Sit down and wait for me?
1 year and other.
Me where wait for me for?
So after you hurt me, you promise me say you come back and married to me. And you hurt me the way you come play a victim now. I kill me for killing you know.
Kilo.
She ain't even know.
You go too far now, you know. You go too far.
Brother, you break my heart. You break my heart and I tell me, say I go too far. You see her, Kiera? She can't even deal back with me.
Right now, me not even talking right now, you know, let's see.
You know how much people cuss me and tell me say me I am made for you? You know how much people cuss me and tell me? I'm still only like a G because me say you at the end of the day.
Right now, me not talking right now. Because right now, what you say, it don't make no sense. Right now, me just go up on my yard, be here and lie down. Because me not understand you. I'll know.
Alright, you see if me can't get you, nobody else now get you. I must damage somebody for you.
I want to talk to you about your friend Lacy. You never know say your best friend.
How you know Lacy?
Lacy, before I got foreign, Lacy been a come to my yard and tell me say me and her dead.
Hold on. Lacy? Are you name? Oh shit. Lacy tell me say she have a man. We have money. She married to her.
Me?
You give her everything she want, you give her 2 business and tell me say you go foreign and come back. Are you lazy at all? So me never know say you. I'm confused.
Lazy, she does every day she come up on my yard and tell me say me and her dead. Other day she come up on my yard before me go for long time she come up there and she put one ring. Never she put the ring there but me never see ring yet. Put a ring on finger say me and her married and kind of thing.
Let's tell me say you engage her. I'm confused. So you are lazy future husband we should be not telling about?
Yes.
So how me just know that?
They may tell you now.
But me you can't continue for you lazy, you know with lazy I'm my best friend. You know what
Me
she
no
do
know
if she
that.
find out she know already?
Me no know that.
She know already?
So me and talk?
Yeah.
Yeah. She know about it because other day they come up here.
You mean yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday they come up here. As I walk out of she, me buck up in out there. So.
Cause me did call her over so she did that and then me did say she never bother come that me say she did out there say all time I watch me. So what we are going to do about that? Me you can't continue, you know, you have to know that Lacey I'm my best friend and I know Lacey is sick.
Lacey and me not have nothing. So you have nothing for her.
But you married to her, you give her money, you
Listen,
give her...
no man, me not give her no money, me not give her
Listen,
nothing.
me and Lacey have to talk about this first and me have to make sure you know. Me can't really say Lacey really, so that's why she not call and text me last night. Sorry, but me, I forgot to talk to Lacey about this.
Girl, me and you not have nothing to talk about. I bet you
Lacey, listen
look
to
out
me
for
now.
me,
May I talk to you? Listen, please.
Talk, I mean, I have a whole day.
I've been sure how long in Ghana foreign for. Me never know say.
Saying gonna find.
He tell me saying the first time we meet, he tell me saying just come from foreign and he introduced himself to me. Me never know say a year tugger. Me think of somebody else different. And then when me call you down at house, now he tell me say this one in him tell me saying it buck you up and you ask her name and you're obsessed with him and he tell me say y'all engage yourself over him.
You know if
and
you lie,
something.
my tugger can't tell you that. You lie, you just a make up baiting. My man tugger can't tell you that. You want the man till I tell lie. Girl, get a life.
I don't lie, me I tell me say you're obsessed with him. Y'all I call him babe on the road and there's something there. And me I tell him say that don't sound like my best friend and plus me tell him say me and him need to just think about things little. I mean I will talk to you first because my best friend and I can't choose man over my best friend.
You don't choose man over your best friend. And first thing first, girl, I not even know why I'm son up a sign me talking with you. I don't know why.
Lacey, just hear me out and just forgive me. Me never know. I not even know say you did come my house and me he say you did out there look like you out there long time and watch me and I wait for him. Why you never just come to me so we could have started out there? Me and a friend for how much years and you deal with me so?
Well, correction, me you did a friend, not friend. Any girl, boy, try look my man or try fool on my man, many man no friend. So correction.
Listen, we cannot behave like this. So we are going to do? We are going to fight? Me and you are going to fight? Me and you as best friend, we are going to fight?
Me and you are going to fight? But I'm not your man, girl, I'm my man. What do you mean by me? You are going to fight over my man? I'm going to take what rightfully belongs to me. So you have to go one side. I don't know why you never go work it out, but Toga mine. Toga is mine. I'm not going to talk.
Let's see.
I don't talk to you.
I just talked to Lacey a while ago. She seemed humble and fine. Me know Lacey. Me and Lacey are friends for 10 years.
Me and Lacey not have nothing. She for Bex and me and her.
She said me take her man. You remember, me know this is what you talk about. Me know Lacey. Lacey was once obsessed with one man and she almost killed a girl for her. So, you see because we done in this situation already, me I go back on my hand, me go change my clothes and me go come a few hours come stay tonight, Lacey know my every move, Lacey know my talk about my beard, Lacey know everything, I'm best friend, and text and talk everything. So Lacey we come in my yard, we know Lacey, plus Lacey tell me say she in love with you and oh she love your bad and she want murder and all wedding dress we did go look on when she tell me say yeah nah, that means Lacey really in love with you and Lacey we kill anybody for you, I know Lacey. So what me I gonna do? We just come in here and hide out, hope she can't find me. I don't think she will come look for me there, so if she even come look for you, probably she will just no, so me not me about it, but me no know she can't come in your house. She have spare key for your house since you know the girl.
No key, me not there.
Me I come in your house come stay tonight. Me I go back home.
Alright, go and do it.
I can't believe she never tell me say about Lacey.
Me never know that Lacey your friend.
Me I go back home your house.
Tell us
you come meet me or
yesterday.
You come meet me tonight.
You afraid to come?
Yes, I'm afraid. You know what with Lacey? We tell her what Lacey will do.
Me come
and me stop Lacey from kill last girl who she think take
me come meet you. Don't worry yourself. So welcome to my crib. This is my safe place so I get away from people, you know.
You get away from people?
Yeah. This is my comfort zone. I just get away from people. You know, you understand me talk?
Yeah, I like anyways a lot nice. The place look alright. But pink, yeah boy, you choose pink?
No, I like pink man. Pink is the way.
Well, that is very funny. But anyways, when I never already told me so I can come here for chit chat, so
you know me tell you say I go tonight.
Oh right, cause we go out like every night. But every night I want both, you know, something different.
Something different like what? Yeah?
You know me at all. You know me at all? You want me to show you?
You think that too fast?
You want me to show you? No,
No,
fast. Live shot, you only once.
On a surprise.
Let's see what you are doing here.
What you are doing? You know her?
Of course we know her.
Let's see, I'm a best friend. What you are doing here?
Best friend? Are you telling me? Shut up. Better you shut up, you know. Better you shut up.
Let's see, man, what you are doing?
Oh, so I'll not the present with a gun. It's not defend him. Move from side then.
Put on that.
Shut up your mouth. See, you plan and take my man. After my pause, I know the bad man.
Let's
Let's
Shut up.
Let's see.
Don't want to shut up in the mouth.
Let's put on that, no man.
If you tell him if you shut up again, I'm going to treat if you shut up. You broke my heart now.
Let's see.
I am going to call you my best friend. Don't come in here. I swear by my life tonight.
You want her there?
Me and her not there.
Me and him married.
Me
I think this is married to you, Lacey.
And him, I'm going to tell about.
You tell me say you're not.
Me and her not there.
She tell me say you.
Brought this up. I don't want you to offend
Let's see.
someone.
Put on the gun.
Put on which gun?
Let's see. Why you can't just listen to me say me and you there?
Me and you on there. I think you take me for a little fool.
Listen, me and your best friend.
We are the best friend. That was then. We're the best friend no more.
Lacey, you never know see you and him there. You can't blame me and him have to blame.
Guess why you don't know? Remember one time when he tell us, get mad in a war. Get mad. Get mad, make me see. Get mad, make me see now this. Get mad. Shut up and go sit down. Go back over there, son.
Put on the gun, Lacey.
Up. Shut up. Remember one time I once tell us if me can't have you, nobody can have you. Today is the day. Today is the day. Stop calling me.
Lacey,
What me I do? I'm going to show me how to stone. Move this out of my face.
Lacey, we are do.
Come on, come on, I'm serious.
Lacey, put on the gun.
Put on gun?
Put on the gun, me I beg you. Please put on the gun, Lacey.
Yeah. What you have to say to him?
Lacey, no one knows that you is married.
I'm telling you, no one know.
So what we are going to do, Lacey?
What we are going to do? I know what we are going to do and me are going to do. I know what we are going to do. There's no more way. What we are going to do?
Put put down the gun.
Yeah, I know now. I know that, right? You know, my mama did tell her, but did one until I say, if me can't get you, nobody can get you. Yeah, I know.
Me see what you do.
What me I got to do? This.
Kiera. It's where you cause, Lacey. It's where you cause.
See, you really there saw a ball of a girl. After me there saw that gun, you there saw a ball of a girl?
Let's just go on, come and call the police. Just go on.
Yo, and then first me do this, you know, and this one be last. You lucky see she alone gone, and I true me love you here. Just relax.
Go on, no man.
Relax. Yes, ball. May our soul rest in peace. You're mine now.
Let's just go on. Go on.
Brother, let me tell you this. You see any other girl there with you, see you're feminine when you see any other girl there with, as some other share, all of them. So if you have 5 girls there with you, 5 of them are going. If you miss yourself, you go with them too. So be careful.
Yes, go on, no man, go on.
Alright, so yeah, well, let's talk. You make me get rid of this here now before trace back the evidence. Man, you get up, mama, you You come like you want to be next one. Get up. Man, you get up, make me get rid of this. Come here, man. Move fast, man.
So which one you gonna put that now?
And that we are going to figure out. Come on, tell me carry it. Let me carry it. Yo, you see we just
Just put him please.
Brother, you see we just do a while ago? Make sure say nobody don't know about this. Say yeah. Just make sure say nobody. All the same, you're an idiot. You're an idiot.
Put on your gun no man.
Me have to put it down.
Me not a beat.
I'm my best friend this, yo. Can't never left my side. See my best friend I have failed me. This never fail. So what I'm feel to her now? I tell her say any girl there with in her dirt, you know.
Still want a relationship with me after you kill my girlfriend.
I have it hard for this I talk about girlfriend my youth. You know say I empty me shall empty this night all though.
Put in gun.
Brother, you just get me upset, yo. I kill a girl because I love you, yo. And I think to say that you don't make things better. You come like to make things work.
No.
You're messing my brain.
No get it wrong.
What do you mean, man?
I'm out there with you. But you can't carry gun everywhere we are go.
And you make all of this up. Me a good girl, brother, but you just mash up my mates and go there with my best friend, my youth.
Alright. We don't know. You alright now?
Of course, not more a long time. Can't get rid of this, you know. Don't miss yourself, brother, come in. I'm not afraid to pick you up back. So we're good now.
Yeah.
So we're there.
Yeah.
Alright. That more here. Alright, come here. Give me a hug. I'm going to look about something for you. Stop going like your friend, you know. I'm going to look about something for you to eat. We want to eat. We want to eat dinner.
Anything else?
I don't like how you move, you know.
Chicken and fries.
You didn't have fridge?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to look about something. Just lay down and relax, yeah?
Alright.
Come, lay down, move this. Lay down and relax.
Yeah.
Love you. Love you.
Love you.
Oh. Not about something.
Yeah.
have reached the end of the video, guys. The movie, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 I go later. Me know I'm not supposed to be anxious right now because of all this end. Everybody's supposed to wait and I wonder what will go on. So, you see, if anyway you just watch a movie and not subscribe yet, you need to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell because you don't want to miss part 2. Also, new movie coming soon. We just wait on this to go around like the people them watching and whatever. I want to like, I want to comment, we can drop the next one. Then we're going to start work on part 2. So thank you for watching. Continue to support. I really appreciate it, and big up on yourself.
Yeah man, just remember to go over Kiera and Toga TV, like, share and subscribe.
Turn on the post notification bell.
Drop
Watch the
some
video them to the
comment
end.
over there, you see me? Yeah man, so
Be positive vibes. We don't like the negative vibes. Positive vibes only.